Mwanchu mugere n'enchinsa 10 igoro litweligalia Jumatatu kitariki 15 cy'umutinyo 12 umwaka w'igabo cy'ibibera bangebere na5 kinga kiringa kwarigane bene imeme saito ya mangana maya y'enchinsa 10 ya sencherere yo bwenge nkomanye aragenda gwateka korwa chinsemo aho chense yaito ya Kenya nchekoro kwa Daniel Omwaga. Amaya chinsa 10 mwancho mulgani ngotoko chakane ngana yogo ichana aseba wana familia Richard Kebaso korwa sekinyero kia irarangenyo imeye county ya Nyamira nigokere nobororo omonene mayaga yogo siria mate yabo y'abantu batano abanyakwaya abarangenyo SDA batano batato niganya tabo siria ubugima bwabo ogwetera somwa kuno gwebara asabante kubagate bagosira ekero bare kurwe nyangi ensemeria ya Kakamega asaba basokano okarekanete ensemeria ya Chabera ebare ire ya Kisumu gocha kisi abo obutuko bwokera lero nige familia yibono yasabira bakonyi ase okomwene gusoko bayani abantu babo
Marieta ngoro kwa irinike muntu igo minyete Kakamega togatwara moroberi bwenyangi tokararanga mbiyato nyare kwalika abaiboli baito yule Kebaso na Lea ono ekero inyangiri tukorie inyangiri ikeriri ale gochikoba tare 14 ekene abaiboli bagake esimi bagateba ngocha tole na ntori gocha ndutweka ngocha tole ne kwaya bagateba kimbia mano nande bagateba abantu abange berure na abande batigaire inse tukabaligani tukabatebi karibu wane sabato maragoba bagachicha tukabaligani buya tukarara mambi tukaboka tukaende nyangi ibyo yarenge nyangi yane program ikagenderera buya togaika chinsa kianda ekaba enyangi yairire erinde beanda ekoirana ekena na watu wakolete togoika chinsa echio egari yale gocha kuboye gari eyo egaika omari onje nkagenda ngabatige kanisa oganyete gari ona kato isaransete makamo mrominto gwakerwe simu ogatebi kubuna abantu no maito mondo korokugana iga omondo korokujone Kebaso nae agateba uyino mugakone nabona abantu aba bakoreki banyora accident yembe abantu batano be familia ye basirete mugaka bwo mucyoyo no monginoye na mumuro mwabo halafu na mukamo mumuro mwabo no muigu gocho mucyoyo nasirete boyere ikonge ase kanisa yeto yarangenyo bane tusirete abantu nane babeta bagusira lakini asatari yabete abantu basirete 11 abande mbare nyagitari bano gusaba gwitonka ringa gaki abantu baminto tusabere bari bare nyagitari nyasakoro gwanza kwaye bagwene nande bano musigo yo no manene gaki serikali asumore mutobwatesie tonyare kwa nya abantu aba baminto basirire anyare ko babagutimuka nande tikatwegene ngakara musiba kano yo bete nyasaye no arenge bana nande nyasaye nagendere gutubwate singa kici cyo bakongo
Nelson
ate masira basirire gikaseri cyane ono to kwere bagere gatanga abantu bakonje gari para cintereba chike bagere ngakia yabire Christmas ande koira batabanga yono wacha kwese cintereba chire chigari ngora gere mo wasukana wasroke aya nditora aya kwana ngiringa serikali tukwazi sikoto konyo musibo yo bairega kyaro bero mutongura abantu be familia mva
Nabono chingaki amariganio yobochorio bonene bwo mwaka w'ikibebe na 2025 nebere achakire nigo yokabere omwaziri ase county ya Kisii nabo igo mona siasa Dr. Alfred Ndemo litwe rero ogwetera sabwatani baye kurwa asichi ward chonsi imeyense moye bunge ya Kitutu cha Chenot bakorire bikaro nabasaye ime yambanda ward ya Sensio elibo sangelie birengereryo igoro ya monchereria alia abaganete kurwa asare ekara achakire bene iganga yayo kuryo bochumbe bwensemo oye bunge yo karanga nabasabo nigo baganirie okoserwa komo baga yemeremo asekeryanga nigo basomete boigo nigo habasabo baboliwe kubwata chikura asobonge nabo igo kwenekya ngangu kibare egwaka chikura okera ko bochore bonne eborebosio
nabo igo nani muboli abasaye basoke babwata chikura.
Thank you so much madam. Karibu sana watu ikaragatia tingi umeshika kandini ka flow right?
Na abantu wanjire komweke ikiali gomuko mulina wote nje wote tembo mujumbu ina wote chache nofu ngonye mutakite na nchire nitakuja kwa roho safi na ndio kwa mumuntu jengo ndankarazen kwa nambo boli na kunta toko tukulechi tu wange ngora tuyo mikro asweka kwa era
tamalieta nkoro kwa Ruben Onteri koru kegogi ward na abere no mogoko aso mwishimigwa Ndemo atonyorere libageri kuryogocha kubeka namo na kurwa maoni yaitu intubono buna basaba ke egento nariko teba se wodi ase ekwende ase no ekwende e constituency yetu ya Kitutu cha Chenot etware gosaba mwishimiwa ntobwate abana abasaba akorire gisukuru abande bari sikubata bwati kigazi bono torochenga ntobwato boremeru mbabwati gasi bakora twari gusaba mwishimiwa bono nyasago konye keroko ira otororera abamura abari sikubata bwati kigazi elinde bakonyora kigazi elinde bakore berwanerere igobone twari gusaba nyasago konye 2027 twaberanga go kwa mama goro na kimogo tebe bibichana
tuko tonjo tuko ndani
abaminto moitabira mangana yo gusenda basi igo moyoro chenga abantu baminto mbasi bogitamo no mwishimiwa ongera ngo mwatore chikura nera sibokamo na intwe atokonya senge njontoro cha setomigire
vijana na waimiza kila mtu ashike kura ndio if we want change we must do what we must vote so kila mtu ajitokeze kwa wingi wenye wana kura tushike kura alafu tutajua vile itakuwa hapo mbeleni. So another thing maybe is the one who will bring employment to our youths na shule endelee kutufanyia maendeleo vile tunataka.
Egento kweni courage abantu bane wamake bagendi maate kendegero go maate go chakera maate aba muraba bakabake ebigori ebibune byanaiga mobwate chikura totaete go chenchi ase kerogeke kyo MP omumburo minto narega okorokuna Ndemo dawa nera totaete go chenchi tomobeka ase kerogo
na gusika mutu mwanchumuligeria nigo bono muraibu ense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto agendere gusingerera buna agoika anekie ense ya Kenya ngochiere koba abuna ense area ya Singapore ase atebere buna obekire emeroberio yokonyora chishiringi trilioni 5 eriyo gwikirania endoto yaye yokonyonchera ense ya Kenya ase arekana kumurage byara omuragwe kiama kedeke we Patriotic Front omosike Kalonzo Musyoka asa aterunga bari bakonyemereria serikali imbabu atime bagende yonsi yokwene kiama gendero meyense ya Kenya.
Kesho tunapitisha hazina maalum ya National Infrastructure Fund ambaye tutatumia kuokota pesa shilingi trilioni 5 ya kubadilisha hii nchi. And we are not joking. My friends, hii nchi hii lazima ibadilike. Tumechelewa kubadilisha Kenya. Tumechelewa kufukuza umaskini. Tumechelewa kufukuza njaa. Hii nchi inaweza kubadilika kama watu wa Singapore walibadilisha kwao, wa Korea walibadilisha kwao, wa Malaysia walibadilisha kwao, sisi tutabadilisha kwetu. Kama mnataka tu tuendelee kuongea siasa ya ukabila na chuki na mambo ya kupotezana wakati, sisi tubadilishe Kenya. Na Kenya haiwezi kubadilishwa kwa maneno matupu. Kenya inabadilishwa kwa miradi na mipango ya maendeleo. Yeye mwenyewe amekuwa kwa uongozi miaka 50. Barabara ya kwenda kwake ni ya vumbi na matope. Atatoa wapi akili Kama amekosa akili ya kupanga barabara ya kwenda kwake, atatoa wapi akili ya kupanga barabara ya kwenda kwako?
Na gutambuka mutu mwanchumugereria nigabone kiombekeria getinile tobwene bwa mwanyabanto imeyense ya Kenya kyarure nkwana yaye igoro yo komentakana nebikorwa bibasakana yechibara amatuko abwango iga kokwana mega yo okora ibikaro omo Chief Justice wense ya Kenya amusubati Martha Koome nigo ayire bitambuke usara riri bitambuke bitano bibere ebyo bigocha kubwatigwa eryo kweneke buna emibasakano yechibara ya Keanire anene chinga kichiga chimeyega yesikuku imeyense.
We want to prioritize joint enforcement and visibility across the country, and especially in high-risk corridors, to handle traffic matters instantly during the festive season. What we want to assure Kenyans is we do not want to cut short their festivity. They will be handled expeditiously, and they will be able to proceed to their destinations. Those who will require legal representation will be accorded an opportunity and encouraged to reach out to their advocates within a reasonable time, and we will be sharing the links every day where the mobile traffic courts are operating, so that those who will be charged can quickly contact their lawyers and get online in those courts that are going to be handling these traffic offenses.
Nabono mwanchumugereria nigomo bunge wensemo ye bunge ya Kiharu Kennedy Nyoro ayiroke kunyagikiria ya serikali igoriyo gusama deni ya mange ase amatukabwango iga okwana kurwa samagacho ya chiabisi chae imeya magacha KICC omugasorero nigonyara teberunga ekinse ya Kenya yasabire chibasi chinge imeye nya inse myaka 5 ya etire yagente bona abekeretana ninga serikali tigaya sokebene na kuja kweresera abakenya igoriyo chibasi chichonsi yasabire samatukabwango iga ngasikia nyarako bakego Chicago gosekego chikorera uchiasa ba Kenya.
I've been saying this and requesting. If I'm, for example, a member of parliament, when I go to launch a project for the benefit of the people, I put forth, this is the amount of money we are using, this is where it is coming from, these are the people who are doing it. Because there is nothing to hide. And likewise, when it comes to government programs, since they should be doing it for the benefit of every Kenyan, what better joy would it be than to come into the public and tell Kenyans, we are selling these shares this way because of this and this reason. And then Kenyans tell you, no, we think if you give other people an opportunity to bid, us as the owners of these shares, as the people of Kenya, we think we can raise more. Now Kenya wajadiliane, and the best idea to proceed and Kenya to benefit entirely. It is the same issue as borrowing. The government borrows on behalf of Kenyans today and in the future. Because when you take a loan, for example, of 10 years, you've already committed a child who is not yet born into paying that loan. And because there is nothing to hide, it should be better anyone in government to be very proud and come and face Kenyans and tell them, we have borrowed 4 trillion shillings, this is what you have done with it. And this is not something so huge to ask. The money Kenya has borrowed is close to 4 trillion shillings. It would be a great joy for anyone in government to come proudly and tell Kenyans, out of the 4 trillion you have borrowed, this is the much you have done, and then let Kenyans to decide about uwajibikaji ya hawa watu. So kwa hizi mikopo kuna mkopo, or there is the debt we are taking in the main book that is now going to close to 13 trillion shillings. For the last, it was 8.7 trillion in 2022. So we have borrowed close to 4 trillion now. But now on the side, there are other borrowings. Securitization is not part of this. It is an illegal one, which I don't include it because it is illegal. Taranta Port is illegal. The money that is building the bombers of Kenya is also not part of this loan. It is another illegal loan. So we are asking a very fundamental question. The illegal loans are the ones we can see what they are doing. The illegal ones, which is just a small fraction. Where is the 4 trillion Kenya shillings Kenya has borrowed for the last 3 years and 2 months?
Chidageka 15 nemwe chabtukiriyo chinsa 10 chabana managwabo mwancho muriria na bunongo saba kunyabuturira mangana mayesenchera ya bene kuro tusenikia kya bene again soko TV muragwabo bono kurende noshikanya ro sencha we kanu gichikoraga nsa ya mama ne chinsa sto chamaragwaba anere Clinton Ondegi Brian Achaka Felicitas Kabendi amona Kebati John na bo senchera ya bene barengemega yemenyoncho kwene kinga chibicha amona mariogi agwikire asenchera ere yobo ikiranu leta ne chokoro kwa Daniel Omwaga tosuka kagara muri bongoli amane konko chirole chinza chinke chiremotu nere Edwin Yang'au umwana mboka.